In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a YouTube video. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you have watched any video on YouTube and you wish to share it with someone or to share it across one of your social media platform or even email, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is to open your video. As you can see, I've opened this video and I've just paused it. To share it, head down to the share button here and then just click on it. Here you can share your video by embedding it. That is, if you want this video to be inserted in a website post, you can use embed feature. You can also share this video via messages, WhatsApp, Facebook, X, email, Reddit, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. So that is one of the ways to share. Another way to share is just to copy the link and then send it to whoever you want to watch this video. So for example, I want to share this direct to an email. To do that, I'll just select the platform to share. If you wish to share it to WhatsApp or Messenger or Facebook or any other tool, just select. So I'll tap on email here and this will take me to my email list. So here I'll allow to open my email. Here I'll choose Gmail as the main mail I want to share and then click on open link. So this will open my Gmail. Here we have our Gmail account being opened, and then I'll enter the email I'll wish to send this to. So I'll just select my email and then I write the subject, maybe workspace video, and as you can see, the link to the video has been inserted directly. Now I just tap on share to send my email and my email has been sent. So that's how you can share any YouTube video with anyone or any media platform. And now if I go open my email, you can see we have the link shared here. Here we have the video shared. I can just now open it directly from here, or if you'd sent it to someone else, now they should be able to find it or watch it directly from here. So that's how you can share a YouTube video on any online media platform. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.